Hey guys, okay, we're going to do the video for 2-9, square root stuff. We're going to try to figure out how to get this guy out of jail. So let's take a look at the first example. The first example requires me to simplify this square root. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two numbers that multiply, or two factors of 45. 9 and 5. 9 breaks down further to 3 and 3. So now I have this pair here. This pair is going to get out of jail. And the 5, who's got no friends, is going to stay in jail. All right, let's take a look at the next example. What I have to do here is I have to take the square root on the bottom out of the problem. 1 square root 5. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 5. And I get 1 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. That's 1 square root 5. Okay, let's take a look at how we're going to use this. I have to find the sine of d. This is opposite. Here's the hypotenuse. I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem to find that side. Now remember, we're doing this without a calculator. We'll c squared, so this is 4 plus 16 equals c squared, so this is 20 equals c squared. Now what I have to do is square root both of these. So this is going to be 4 and 5, 2 and 2. The 2's get out. So I have 2 square root 5. Now I have to answer the question. Opposite over hypotenuse. That's 4 square root 2 square root 5. 4 over 2 square root 5, excuse me. But I have to multiply the top and bottom by square root 5. So I have 4 square root 5 to square root 25. Square root 25 is 5. So I have 4 square root 5 2 times 5. 4 square root 5 over 10. That simplifies to 2 over 5 square root 5. There we go. Okay, last example. Let's see if I can get this done before the bell rings. So now I have to find the tangent of t. So this is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. I need the adjacent side. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 3 squared plus b squared equals 7 squared. 9 plus b squared equals 49. I subtract 9, so b squared equals 40. Now I have to square root that. I have to break that down. I'm going to use 4 and 10. That's 2 and 2. They're my pairs. 5 and 2 breaks down, but I don't have pairs there, so he's going back to jail. So now I'm going to have 2 square root 10, or 2 square root 10. The tangent is 3 over 2 square root 10. Now I have to get that square root out from there. So times square root 10 over square root 10. That becomes 10, so 3 square root 10 over 2 times 10, which is 20. 3 square root 10 over 20. Now that simplifies. No, it doesn't. And that's the answer. All right, guys. So I hope you guys found this video helpful.